The biggest AI risk inside your organization may not be the tool you approved. It may be the tool your team is already using without telling you. This is called shadow AI. And for leaders, it can quietly create cyber liability exposure before anyone realizes there is a problem. AI may already be inside your organization. The question is anyone managing the risk? Shadow AI happens when employees use artificial intelligence tools without clear approval, policies, training, or oversight. That could be an employee using a public AI tool to summarize a client file, or a staff member copying donor information to create a report. Team member might paste financial data into an assistant or upload internal documents to save time on proposals and grant summaries. In many cases, the employee is not trying to create risk. They are trying to be helpful, efficient, and get work done faster. If leadership does not know which tools are used or where that data goes, the organization may already have hidden exposure. This matters because cyber liability is bigger than cyber insurance. It is the total exposure you face when responsibilities are not properly understood or documented. Shadow AI affects exposure in several ways. First, operational risk. Disruption and downtime can happen if data is mishandled. For a business or nonprofit, this could affect client service, programs, billing, and donor communication. Operations can slow down quickly. Second, legal risk. If private data is entered into an unapproved tool, your organization may have to answer difficult questions. Was the data allowed? Was there a written policy? These are leadership questions, not just IT questions. Third, reputational risk. Trust is one of the most important assets your organization has. AI used without oversight can damage it. Clients, donors, and employees trust you with their data. That impact can last long after the technical issue is resolved. Fourth, regulatory risk. Depending on your industry, you may have obligations to protect sensitive information. AI does not remove those. The danger of shadow AI is that it feels invisible. You may believe AI isn't being used because no official platform has been purchased, but employees may already be using free tools, personal accounts, or browser extensions to complete work. This is the hidden risk. That means you may have risk before it has a policy, exposure before it has training, and cyber liability before it has visibility. The first step is not panic. The first step is visibility. Start by identifying where AI is being used and determine what data is being entered. Then decide which tools are approved and which information stays private. Secure AI begins by creating a safe structure around innovation. You do not buy insurance after the accident. Preparation and knowledge are the key to your organization's success. To start, visit mtsconsultinggroup.net/risk assessment. This has been MTS Consulting Group. In the next episode, we'll talk about public AI tools.